Aya is 4 months and 1 week pa lang. Oh, she can sit with support na. She can sit with support. Look, oh. She can sit with support. Oh, Aya is 4 months and 1 week. Well, actually, 1 week, tama. She can sit with support. Very good. Oh, mommy can tiklop na. Ba, very good ah. Wag lang malaglag. Aya sang. Aya sang can sit with support. Thank you, Lord. Mommy strategy. Tiklop ng brief ni Kuya. Stockings. Where do we put this here? Ayaw niya kasi nang nakahiga. Kababaliktad. Galing ni Aya. Oh, very good ah. Aya? Very good. Aya's first tiklop with mommy. Aya? Ay. Sugoy dyan. Kay daddy, no? Ba, yay! Yay! First batch done. Meron pa dito. Oh, 1. Ba 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 ba. Upo ka na. Titiklop tayo. Upo. Sit down, sit down. Sit down si Aya. Sit down, sit down. Sit down si Aya. Ayun na, naiinip na. Dami pa, 1. Kay ate to. Kare. Unicorn. Unicorn. Tiklop with Aya. Tiklop with Aya. Socks ni Aya. shorts ni Aya. Long socks ni ate. Very good ah. Very good si Aya ah. Titiklop na ya. Where's daddy no yatsu? Kochi? Daddy. Yay! Where's the unicorn? Unicorn ni Aya. Boom, 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 boom. Last one. And then finish na. Stand up. Nakatayo pa siya yo. Brief ni kuya. Nakatayo siya yo. Tigas ng paa. Kay ate. Socks ni kuya. Tights ni mami. Mommy's tights. T-shirt, mommy. Go. Malapit na tayo. Okay, daddy to. Tights ni ate. Finish! Shucks na. Later na lang to. Walang pares. Nasaan na napunta yung mga pares niyan? Jigga, jigga, jing, jigga, jing. Bye, Aya! Bye-bye. Nabusit na.